I absolutely love the way this color came out, but look, I'm gonna be honest with you, it was a fail in the beginning. Ooh, let me tell you all about it. So I purchased this wig from Julia Hair. This is the wig. We're starting it off with blonde because my original idea was to make this a Valentine's video, and I was going to try to do a strawberry shortcake hair color. So it's the standard lace front wig for combs. I'm going to take them out. You know, I'm a part of the little bitty head crew, so I'm gonna have to resize it and make it fit my pea head. But this is the wig. So I took pink rose and crimson, and I actually wanted to leave like most of it blonde, and I was just going to have like some streaks pink rose, some streaks crimson, but it didn't work out that way. I forgot that this is going to bleed, and it did. It was a complete fail, so I didn't do the video, but I'm going to put it on anyway, and we're going to rock with it and make the most out of it. All of the color just bled everywhere, and it turned out like this. Okay, so we gonna see how this red, aka slash pink hair look on me. So I'm gonna cut my bald cap, put my makeup on it, and we go hook it up. We gonna see how it turn out. See if it's gonna look right on this skin complexion of mine. And I just did the regular OG bald cap. I didn't do the ones where you putting it over your whole face and you drowning and you can't see and you can't breathe. It's gonna come out just as good, I'm sure. We gonna see at least. So I don't plan on leaving this on too long, only a couple of days. So I'm not going to use the glue. I'm only going to use gel and hold and spray. So you really, well, I guess you do have to clean it. I was going to say, since you're not using glue, you don't have to really worry about it sticking. But, you know, habit. So I was using this mixed with this. This is Rich Ebony, and this is MAC Deep Dark for the perfect color. So I'm all out of this. So now I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this dark stuff and see what we can come up with. Okay, so this is the hair. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, and as you can see, you don't got to freak out. This color is a little bit off. So if you make a mistake, if you make it too light, too dark, you can always fix it. But don't forget, it's going to be under your wig. So no one knows the color of anything under your wig. Because when you put it on, you can always fix it. So it's okay. Let's see. Let's see. What this color gonna be like? It might be okay. Okay, so since I'm not using glue, I'm going to go ahead and tie this down for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to cut the lace. We don't want no glue on, no gel unsticking. Just for 10 minutes. I'm about to hang myself. $10. So I went ahead and knocked out my baby hair. And now I'm going to just put a couple of curls in it. See what it do. Ooh, this stuff is stuck up. Y'all can see all these big spaces of blonde. It was all messed up, but we're going to make the most of it.